What if I told you you can use Excel, Word, and PowerPoint completely free? No activation key, no download, nothing. Of course, these are the free browser versions, so you'll get limited features compared to the desktop apps. Let's start the video, open any browser, and type excel.new to get Excel app on your browser for free. As I said, you will not get some features as compared to desktop app, but it's worth exploring as it is free to use. To download the file on desktop, click on File option and navigate to create a copy, and finally click on Download Copy. It will save the file to your desktop. To get PowerPoint for free, type PowerPoint, that New on New tab, and you will also get PowerPoint for free. You may get login screen to access these three apps. Simply log in with Microsoft account and you'll get access. Finally, to get Word, type Word.new. You'll get Word for free. If you find this video helpful, like the video, drop a fire emoji on comment, and subscribe to the channel for videos like this, and thanks for watching.